today we will be doing a drop skin fade full tutorial. As you can see, we're going ahead and we're setting in our first guideline. So this is how you set your first guideline if you want to get the drop skin fade effect. Start it off a bit higher in the front, drop it at the back. As you can see, I'm going ahead with my Wahl Detailer. I like bowling out with my Wahl Detailer because it gets nice and close to the skin, or it cuts close to the skin. That also helps the fade to pop. So now using my Wahl magic clip, as you can see, no guard lever open. I am setting in my first guideline. Next off, we'll basically be knocking out that first guideline we've set in. We'll be moving our or adjusting our lever bit by bit, but as you can see, I'm going over the line a few times, and then as it gets lighter we continue to adjust the lever until we get to the lever close completely and we start flicking out. Next off, using my one guard lever open, we're gonna start off by creating yet another guideline of about an inch. Next off, we're gonna go ahead and close the lever, and we're gonna try and lighten up that guideline so that we can come back and blend it out. So next off, we're gonna go with no guard lever open. Like I said, we're gonna come back and blend that line out. As you can see, I'm using a flick motion, also using a lot of the corner, like mainly the corner of my machine, so that way I can get more detail, and it helps blend that line out so much more. Well, it makes it so much easier. And yeah, just go over a few times, just make sure you get it nice and clean. So next off, using my 1.5 guard lever closed, as you can see, I'm going with the grain. We still want to keep the hair nice and dark at the top, but also we want to make sure that it is short enough to look nice and neat. But like I said, we want to keep it nice and dark, so I went ahead and I used 1.5 guard lever closed. So next off, using my 2 guards, starting off with the lever open, and then we will gradually work our way to the lever being closed once again. So we will be lightening up that line, doing some detail work. So starting off with the lever open, using a flick motion, you can go ahead and you can already see that the line is starting to fade away really nicely. The fade is coming together. So next off, with the 1.5 guard lever open, we're gonna go at that line once again, because as you can see, you can still see quite a bit, but right now it will start blending in. And guys, I'm trying a different type of tutorial style. I usually do the entire head, but today I'm only doing one side. Well, I'm only showing one side, so everything you see on the one side, you just go ahead and copy it, do the exact same thing on the other side. So right here, using my Wahl A line trimmers, as you can see, I'm going ahead and I'm lining my client up. Now I have my straight razor, going ahead and cleaning up the lineup. So now I went ahead and I used some fibers just to make the entire haircut come together. The fibers really makes the haircut pop. Just gives you that extra. Yeah, just gives you that extra. So next off, we're gonna go ahead and taper the beard. We're gonna blend it in from the 0, and just lightly blend it in because my client wants to keep his beard the same length. So next off, right here, as you can see, I'm just shortening my client's mustache. Next off, using my Wahl A line, going ahead and lining my client up. Now I'm moving with my Wahl Detailer. Put some shaving gel on the cheeks. So personally, I like to use a blade on the cheeks. That way, like, it just gets the beard line a bit sharper and more crisp. It's just personal preference. And guys, this is the end result. Let me know if you like the new tutorial style. It's your boy Enrico the Barber. Thank you for tuning in.